I get dirt on my shoes. I don't mind climbing 8 more floors, 'cause these stairs are all heading to you. I don't wait for tomorrow's sunshine when I feel it today. And when it's cold in the dead of winter, remember that snow melts away. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance before the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. We don't need plans or a fancy agenda. Well, let's just see where it goes. We got no care for the way people stare at the dust and the dirt on our clothes. Hey, my friend, we'll never say remember when, if we keep on making memories where we stand, where we stand. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance before the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. And go put on that old wedding dress now. Probably still fits like a glove. And tell the band to play one more slow song, 'cause you still have all my love. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance before the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance before the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. Let's get happy before we get old. No more whiskey, I'll have a Coke. Catching bass on an old fishing boat. One more story from Grandpa Joe. Let's get happy before we get old.
The last breath of summer is blowing down our necks, and soon we'll wave goodbye to the fleeting bliss. Because you are like a tidal wave, just ripping up my life, not living without a trace. And you know that I'm your silent patient. You know I'm your silent patient. I've been waiting this long out for your hands to hold me up. I'll be holding on through the winter for your kiss to wake me up. Now with the colors of spring, my heart will blossom up again. Speeding up, and with your smile it will erupt. And I collect all I can set aside all the supplies. Your kisses and words to get through into time, because I'm your silent patient. Yes, I'm your silent patient. I've been waiting so long for your hands to hold me up. I've been holding on to the winter for your kiss to wake me up, because I'm your silent patient. Silent patient, change your mind. Silent patient, never giving up, because I'm your silent patient. Silent voice, my change of life. I'm your silent patient, never giving up, because I'm your silent patient. Yes, I'm your silent patient.
I was not your family, I was a stranger to you once, but you treated me like we had the same blood. I drove up to a cabin to Wisconsin in the woods. We shot fireworks and drank till we felt good, and the sky was clear in that summer air. You showed me so much kindness, I do not understand who puts that kind of soul inside a man. And you always say the same thing, we believe in you. It was a little thing for us that we just wanted to do. The night I met your family, the night I met your friends, there were plates of buttered shrimp and hungry hands. And as the fireworks were dying, the whiskey shots were flying, at 2 a.m. something's cooking in the oven. The sun is rising in the eastern sky. You showed me so much kindness, I do not understand puts that kind of soul inside a man. And you always say the same thing, we believe in you. It was a little thing for us that we just wanted to do. Someday I'll make you proud as I am now. When I think of that day, I smile clear and loud. And I always say the same thing, God sent those folks to me to clear some brush off of the path to Tennessee, and to help me be the man I want to be. You Show me so much kindness, I do not understand. Who puts that kind of soul inside a man? And now you always say the same thing. We believe in you. It was a little thing for us that we just wanted to do. Guess it's time I wake up. This is 7 years old. We've been 7 years cold, and now it's time for summer. Walls came down, walls that were holding us in. They've been holding us in without a place to call home. And it's all burning down in the fire, taking us to the edge of hope. Carry me outside, I want daylight. Carry me outside. It's time, oh it's time I fit in these clothes. Yes, inside of these clothes I know there's no surrender. All this time, try to make this our home. Try to make it now, go inside and save us later. And it's all burning down in the fire, taking us to the edge of hope. Carry me outside, I want daylight. Carry me outside. And it's all burning down in the fire, taking us to the edge of hope. Carry me outside, I want daylight. Carry me outside.